This is the 2022 Trophy T24CC. This boat is white in color, does not come with a trailer, has a 225 Merc outboard on the back. You do have your high rub rail, stainless steel cleats. Up front you do have your docking lights on both sides. Stainless steel fittings. This boat is equipped with underwater lights as well as trim tabs. 4-step deep reach ladder. Let's jump up into the boat and take a look at the features. Up in the bow of this boat you do have removable cushions as well as a bow filler cushion, so you can remove every cushion up front to stand up and have your casting deck. You do have your anchor locker up front. You do have removable seats, seat backs here, so you can open it up. You do have your front seat here with a finished out fish box. On both sides in the gunnels you do have rod storage. This one is equipped with a windshield as well as your stationary T-top that is canvas. To the starboard side you do have your walk-in down to your head. Up here on the dash you do have your Rockford Fosgate stereo system, all your gauges. You have room for GPS chart plotter. All your toggle switches for everything here, trim tabs. Everything that's in the boat is stainless steel that isn't finished with paint. You do have your center console seat here, fish boxes on both sides. Towards the back you do have your bait well with your acrylic see-through door. You do have your jump seat in the back that flips up, flips down, gives you space to walk around. On the back of the seat here you do have your live well. On the back of the seat you do have your rocket launchers behind the seat and up top here as well. Another fish box. In the gunnels you do have rod holders on both sides. And then on the back you also have rod holders across the back. This does have a ski tow. 225 Mercury. You do have a nice little extended deck to fish off of, and then you do have a small walkthrough. This is the Bayliner 24 center console trophy. Thanks.